Today I'm going to be installing this universal black exhaust tip onto my 8th gen Honda Civic. So currently this is what the exhaust tip looks like, but once we get this on there, I think that'll look pretty freaking sweet. There also is at least what looks like an exhaust tip already on there, but that's welded on there a bit further up. And this should just screw right on. There's a couple of bolts there that just tighten down, and we kind of just hope that it stays on. This is just a simple cosmetic mod that will make my car look a bit cooler for a really cheap price. I bought this for about 35 bucks, which is not bad at all, and it will definitely be an upgrade. We'll also find out if it makes any difference in the sound, which I highly doubt it will, because this is just gonna slide completely over the existing exhaust tip just to kind of cover it up and make it look a little bit better. Anyways, I'm gonna give it a quick rev just to see how it sounds right now, and then we can get to installing it and see how it sounds after. Okay, so I got it on there. Now the only slight issue is because of where the actual exhaust tip, the stock exhaust tip that's welded on there is, I can't move this out any further because otherwise it won't clamp on properly. So this is kind of as good as it can get, and you can't see it a ton, but I think it's in a good spot because from just a little ways back, it looks pretty good. It's just a little something extra, makes it kind of look like I have an exhaust, even though I definitely do not. It looks pretty cool. I do wish it could be a little further out though. I might try and finagle that out just a little bit more, but I'll probably end up just leaving it just like that, how it is. I started by tightening them all down by hand, and then I went through with a ratchet afterwards to really tighten it down, because at first, when I revved it, it was just kind of rattling and falling over. All right, so now that we've got that exhaust tip on there, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Does it make a difference to the sound? Let's see. Alright, so it's probably a little bit hard to tell on that video, but it actually makes a difference in the sound. It sounds a little bit better. It's not all that much louder, but it adds like a little bit more of a raspy tone. And I really wasn't expecting it to make any difference in the sound whatsoever. I was expecting it just to look cool, which it certainly does look cool, but now that it actually makes a little bit more sound, that's even more exciting. This little exhaust tip is actually a part of a budget build series I've been doing off and on for a little bit now. If you want to see more videos about this budget build series with this Honda Civic, you can click right here for a playlist on that. And if you want to see another cool video on this channel, you can click right here for that, and I will see you over there.